Guys, this is how degrees of mathematics 7.
Kami lang gawin, kami nasali.
Today,
Tapos maniblas ka alas stress.
nothing much has happened so far. So currently I'm just gonna show you the view here.
Maniblas na ka. Alam limal.
Eh, wala pwede ito ding.
Nabalo na ang oras ng 12 or 1. Nasa punta ka 12. Ay, da ka rin tao kasi yung obra nga ita para busweldo kita ng Amerika. Tsaka, laman gagana kayong kaya, gagana. Anak ko yun may muna naman nga nagawa ita. Mag-doktor ka pa kaya. That's good. Mag-doktor ko ako.
So this one's not part of the buffet or is it
No.
buffet? Okay.
Parang a la carte yung order na. Parang black.
Ano pa rin? Matraffic yata. Ang kabilatang babo dumana, nadwa ng babo rin.
At wala.
Bandera ng tamo, kita mo natin yung dala.
Ay, take talaga. 1.8
Not even one person.
Dala. Dala mo naman in the States.
Love in the States 30 plus just for buffet.
Yeah.
One person.
One person, no kuya. Ayaw mo nakapakang karoon to, makanta. Mister.
O sige naman, makalalobat ni. Buri ka talaga na, even last year, wari ko. Pero yun pang kita nga edit na bayo, magsula ko yung mama. Wala nang titibay pala pala tubig pa edit.
You need the help of 60 milligrams of
Finally, home again.
Para Hemarite. May right dose ng iron. Recommended for Filipinos for DOHAO number 2010-0010 with proper diet and exercise. Hemarite FA, the blood vitamin.
Kaya ko naman balong wala na akong palasay, kaya naman naman sinabi.
Pati sa akin boborok-bok kaya.
O saan yung before mo kaya
May dry hair pa?
Na.
Can you log in, babe?
Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. I was tripped on something.
Yeah, be careful, babe.
Grandpa skipping.
Oh, sorry.
Nakapalin super. Ang tito, minuli na. Wow, sila. Wow, yun yung mga gaya ng gaya siya. Ano ba? Ah!
Alright. Well, I was just hanging out here for now. Just for now. I believe I'll go out again soon. BRB. Good morning, everyone. Today is June 26th, Thursday, 2025. Yeah, so welcome to day 3 of this vlog. Yeah, I thought I would be able to get a lot of content for like yesterday. I'm wrong, but today, actually today, I would be going to the mall and go swimming and maybe even go to that private resort. So I guess I could start recording today. I got like a couple minutes of footage from day 2, so let's just get moving for number 3. Steep stairs. I'm gonna be trying this C2 lemon tea. I've already tried C2 apple tea, so I'll try that soon. In fact, I'll just try it right now. Yes, so this is the tea I'm talking about. I was trying to put on the stand. I already tried this, but I like it. I'm just gonna drink this for the views or something. Yeah, this is apple. Lemon green tea. Haven't tried it before. So I guess this is the first for everything. That was like filled to the brim with tea. Jesus. Wait, no, no, that's bubbles. Yeah, not bad. Well, that's all gone. Now, when I go out, I'll start making the footage. I'm gonna try 20 devices right now. Alright, we're going?
Let's go.
Yep.
We're gonna go to the mall. Let's go.
Alright. Are you following Grandma?
Huh?
Are you following us to the mall?
No, only you guys.
Oh, okay.
Where do you want to go?
Where am I going? Oh, I'm going
Where do you want to go?
I'm going to the... Me and my family are going to the mall.
Oo.
Tama, make short na ako. Wala akong masyadong short. Na. Ano ka? Itang accent niya ba ito? Akit. Ano niya ba na? You wanna be the front now?
Ow!
Pag umami, nakain. Pero dito ay lumagay pa din anak ko. Bawal.
Magbawal mo nga ipan. Kapaya nga lang alayang gata sa pangmanyo mo, okay na ang pumuntilapin. Eh nakamagnano-nano ako. Mata kami mo naman eh nananong at tinawag. At tinatinong ala-ala. Ayun, may country show na. Basta ako lang akong problema. Kaya kasi na ako. Buri mo nga kid. You're welcome ako na pumunta ka rin. Pero sa vlog, kaya kung buri kami please surprise ko. Antika niya sabihan ko niyang karela. Di ba? Ang pasaya may nakalukuran mo ng kakatyo ko. Pwede kami pumunta loko ako mayo may at yun na kami natin ka rin niya ako.
O, nasabi na ka rin.
Oo, mas din.
Mas maniyaman, nagkakitang bali ako papangan. Pwede daw nila.
Hindi
pa. Pwedeng pagdala mo na ako, manting steak ako. Yan yung girl, laging lugi si King sa'yo. Dito ka lagi nagpapangan.
Darating ako lang ni Frank.
Wala ko pangan. Sorry.
Hindi ko kita lang tayo. Ulitin niya na bukas.
Ilan ba yan?
Ang gamak na eh. Oo,
Hindi na ba makikita?
pwede na naman makikita di pa bukas. Kaya may problema na iyaw niya ang sila ng itong pizza. Mariban namin lang yun. Ngunit balo ko ba niya. Pero nung ang pag-book, among niya mo nang post niya. Kaya ka pwede ka niya mo certificate ng BNP. Dapat natin niya kang kumbaga sakot ng worldwide. Hindi ko akay ko mga nakita mo kay may tungkol doon sa biya mo na siya. Mapagalyo. Gangatay ni, di ba?
Karakal mo asa na po. Pag binigyan kapag gay.
Ali, ang UK tasis nung ating bumayabe. At pag timoy wali ko siya na. Pero long kaya kumakalam. Ang yabi din mo nga pag drive Pilipinas. Siya kung anong ba't naninilaman ito?
Anong magasay din eh?
Pero nakakagawa na.
Wow.
That might be the size.
What's that behind it? Battery pack?
Yeah, it's a battery pack.
Oh.
Saw reviews of this store, Cyberzone.
You saw what reviews?
What?
You saw what reviews?
I only saw like I only saw a couple of reviews of this store.
Ako nang gawon? Kasi kasi mo tayo mag-stay pa niya. Hindi naman din naman sabi. Hindi na ako. Hindi ka magkaya.
Coconut water. Give that try.
Kita boleh nak try. Saya pagdating sauce.
It's not bad.
Talaga kumali magkaikuya ka.
Can you get rid of
Hari ni banda eh.
the resort?
Yeah.
And we're back. I'll be waiting for some time until I go to my private resort. I'm gonna be swimming. Our cousins are gonna visit us, and yeah, it's time for me to leave right now. I'm all packed up and I'm ready. I'm good to go.
Hindi dapat ikan CCTV ko na rin.
Every...
Makakita porch mo mo. No, lab?
Ay, kitang gulot. Ano makadalang kitang gulot?
Kasi makasabay ka ng kabila.
Pinobrakats ka ng...
Simbahan? Di ba dati open yan lang? Tapos sinarado nila?
Talago mo talaga ulit, sister. Oh. Wow. Hanggang irumina mo kay Apo Medi.
Amal talaga ito.
Bakit ito sa iyo, ma? 400 lang.
Amal talaga yung nakatag.
Tawag ka lang lalagyan.
I forget, which one did you get to choose?
The one with the right?
Was
Siya pala ba yung
it the out of the way one? Yep.
Ha?
Was it the out of the way one or
No,
another one?
that's not the... I think this is just a different route.
Gotcha.
Baka rin mo sa Basilio.
May dalan yun.
Tignan niya kamo nila.
So that's sweet
I'm sorry,
potatoes over there?
cassava.
That's sweet
Cassava.
potatoes?
Huh?
Cassava?
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
O, pauli na kanya ni Mama.
Pahuli na kanya ni daddy mo. Papunta na Ken.
Okay po.
Okay. See you later.
Wala din ang kamalan niyo. Alay po, Manitraksis. Alay pa yan.
Okay. There's my cousins.
Yeah, the one.
It's so hard to see. Sorry for the blur, guys. Oh God. How big is the house? I cannot say for sure.
You see when you get in, bud.
Okay, okay. Wow. So that's which one's my room? Okay, got find out which one's my room then. Do I just pick or?
No,
You
no.
want to pick?
No, because we like have one each, but
Oh.
so I don't know where me and mom wants to.
Oh. I almost.
Nandun na yung beer, kuya. Kain muna tayo.
Mami. Oh, I already ate a little bit. Mami, we'll drink then.
How do you spell P5?
I don't know how.
It's in your own. Spell P5.
And then let them line up. Give them probably.
I want.
I don't know, it's up to you. So you give them like. Ang dara ng mama ko!
Wait mo, boy.
Hey Nathan.
This one is one of it. Okay?
That's hot chocolate. Hot chocolate bar. You put it in
Mag-line up kayo, mag-line up. Tara nga lang po.
I'm so full. I'm good.
That's for Nathan.
Okay, yeah.
Okay guys, that is all for the video. Sorry I haven't posted in 2 days. I mean, even if I was supposed to post in like every day, I mean, I didn't have enough content to make like a long enough video. Like this video, I believe now, with all this footage, I believe I made a lot of content. So next time, I believe starting today, I'll be finding some more things to record. So stay tuned. This is 7 to 3s, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.